What's up? You seem like a new handle. Are you a newbie to my chat or my breaks? If so, welcome. Where are you from? What team you're hoping to pull? Nice. Thanks for bidding. Broncos, all right. Hopefully I can get you a Judy or a Hamler. Who else? Okwabanan. Okwabanum, whatever his name is. Okwabunum. Okwabanum. Something like that. Other people just joining, let me know where you guys are from in the comments if you want. What teams you got in the break tonight. This is one of 3 breaks for me tonight. I'm doing a 10 blaster break after this at 10 p.m. Central and also doing another Cello box break. That one's not sealed. The guy I get it from, he has to open it up in order to scan one pack in order to get it ahead of time. So that one's not sealed, but yeah, I'll be doing a 10 blaster break and then a unsealed Cello box at midnight. Maryland, nice. Welcome. Steelers, all right. Hopefully I can pull you a Claypool. I pulled a Jersey Claypool last night. I did do a sealed Cello box break on, what day is it? On Wednesday night, and that was. I've done a bunch of 10 blaster breaks of Prizm, and that one sealed Cello box was by far my best break I've done. It had red, white, and blue Hertz, red, white, and blue Herbert, red, white, and blue Tua, base Burrow, green Mahomes, and a few other good ones too. North Carolina, all right. I have been to both Maryland and North Carolina. I've been to Charlotte. I'm a big Packer fan, so my wife and I, she was my girlfriend at the time, but we went to Panthers-Packers game like 3 years ago. I don't do live video with other people. Sorry, man. It just messes up with uploading it to YouTube, and I don't know. I've done it before when I first started doing breaks, and some people are idiots on it, so I just stopped doing it. Sorry about that. I'll get started about 8:03. I let people join in a little late. Usually that happens, so. Yeah, let's hopefully. I mean, right now there's only, 6 people in the room? So there'll probably be a few more joining here shortly. People seem to like the style of my breaks. If you guys are new to my breaks, in the past I've played music, but I'll get that one song that Instagram, the copyrights. Luke Combs is a big one. Who was it the other night? Smashing Pumpkins, where they kicked me off. So they slapped my PP, and shut off my video, which obviously I don't want because I need to put the replay up on YouTube. So, I stopped playing music. I'm doing good, bro. Librarian, huh? No, not librarian. Libra Bayan. Librarian. I'm doing all right tonight. My wife is out of town for the weekend, so I'm doing nothing but breaks tonight and tomorrow. It's always nice to get that me and the dog weekend. How are you doing tonight, man? I can sing, huh? What does that mean? Yeah, once in a while, there's nothing better than getting a weekend by yourself with the wife away. All right. Drinking some scotch, doing some breaks, just chilling with the dog. I don't do live videos during my breaks, sorry. It messes up the video when I have to upload it to YouTube, and sometimes people are idiots on there. I've gotten like 15-year-olds in the past, and then they act like teenagers. So I stopped doing that. All right, guys, we're 4 past the hour. Looks like we're not gonna have a big crew for this one. People will probably watch it. Like I said, it's a 1 sealed cello box break, 15 cards per pack, 12 packs. There'll be a 12 card pack and then a 3 card red, white, and blue parallel pack. I am doing a 10 blaster break right after this, as well as another cello box after that. If you guys do bid on those, send me a message and I can combine shipping throughout all the breaks to save you guys a little bit of money. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to DM me on Instagram or eBay. Other than that, let's get started. I will upload this to this Instagram page as well as my YouTube page, JJ's Breaks, right after the break's done. So let's break the seal and get started. Good luck, everybody. Let's pull some fire. So like I was saying earlier, I did this exact break on Wednesday night, 2 nights ago, and I pulled a red, white, and blue Herbert, red, white, and blue Hertz, red, white, and blue Tua, base Burrow, green Mahomes, a lot of fire. And that was with absolutely nothing in the first like 4 packs. So if we can get another break like that, you guys should be happy for the most part. And right off the bat, I kind of ruined the last card. I'll show that one first, but good start to the break. Base, Justin Jefferson. It's definitely a nice card. We have a Preston Williams, CJ Mosley, Peyton Manning, Darius Slayton, Sammy Watkins. What's up, Corey? Did you get the Steelers? Terry McLaurin. I'm doing 2 more breaks tonight if you didn't get it. 10 blaster and another sealed cello, or not unsealed cello box. Harrison Smith. Greg Zuerlein. I'm assuming Pittsburgh went for a little more than you wanted, so I'm assuming you're not in this one. We have a non-rookie green, Chris Jones. Dang, I was hoping for that to beat Mahomes. And then a Denzel Mims Emergent. So, Mims Emergent. We have the Jefferson base. And we'll open up our first red, white, and blue. Yep, doing a 10 blaster right after this if you want to get in on those bids. All right. The 3 red, white, and blues are Ryan Fitzpatrick, Montez Sweat. The first 2 are usually base, and the third one's always a rookie. And it's got the right color. Nope. Jason Huntley. I know exactly what the Herbert card looks like, so I can tell pretty quickly if it's going to be the Herbert or not. I did pull another jersey Claypool last night. Kenny Stills, Joe Namath, Leonard Fournette, Josh Jacobs, Trubisky, Awful, Tyrod Taylor, Eric Armstead, Alvin Kamara, Barry Sanders. We have a green non-rookie, Ryan Kerrigan. Go big or go home. Go hard or go home, Saquon. Get that card all the time. And the other rookie, there we go. Jalen Hurts base. Nice hit, Philly. Pretty much made your money back already. Got 2 good base cards so far. Justin Jefferson and a Hurts. We need to start getting some good rookies and colors, but we're only on pack 2. We got a Kenny Anderson. Chris Jones. Second one of him already. Got a green and now that. Another color that... Nope. Not bad, though. DeAndre Swift. Red, white, and blue. Nice card for the Lions. Red, white, and blue. DeAndre Swift. All right, pack 3. We have a Tremaine Edmonds, Joe Thomas, Julian Edelman, Danny Dimes, Bradley Chubb, Lane Johnson. What's up, RG? Kyle Rudolph, Tyler Higbee. We're going to have the silver in this one. Grady Jarrett. Upside down. Yep, it's upside down. It's going to be a non-rookie. D.D. Westbrook silver. Meh. Fireworks Juju. And Antonio Gandy Golden. All right. We have a Josh Allen, Tyler Higbee, Nate Stanley. Probably one of the worst rookies in this checklist. He is, I don't even know if he's on a team. He's one of the worst. All right, I think we're on what, pack 4? Hollywood Brown, DJ Shark, Carlos Dunlap, Anthony Miller, Antonio Gates, Kevin Beard, Traquan Smith, the GOAT, Aaron Rodgers, Christian Kirk. Come on, rookie. It is a rookie. It's an emergent rookie. Jalen Reagor, green emergent. Not bad. Le'Veon Bell Brilliance. Right color, but nope. Raekwon Davis. Right color, right team, wrong player. Jalen Reagor. Green emergent. Eagles, you got a couple nice cards so far. All right, we have a Chad Ochocinco, Deion Jones, and Javon Kinlaw. Niners. All right, 4 done, 8 to go. Jordan Jenkins, Kenny Moore, Tyler Boyd, Tyreek Hill, Dwayne Haskins, Kerryon Johnson, Jalen Ramsey, Curtis Samuel, Devin White. It's a rookie. It's the right color. It's either going to be a Burrow or a Logan Wilson. Ugh, I hate it when I see that blonde hair. Logan Wilson. Hate it when I see that blonde hair. There's a Chase Young Emergent, not bad, and a Allaire base. There's a couple nice cards there. Allaire base, Chase Young Emergent. A decent break so far. Not hit any of the big 3 yet, but we got time. DeMarcus Lawrence, Jelante Tavai, and James Morgan. Crappage. You guys having a good start to your weekend? Dipping into the sauce a little bit. Sorry, my dog's whining a little bit. Juju, Stephon Gilmore, Laramie Tunzel, Justin Simmons, Brandon Graham, Derek Carr, Josh Reynolds, Michael Vick, Joe Montana, green rookies. Got the right color? Nope. Kenneth Murray. Once again, we have the right team, wrong player. Kenneth Murray green. Unstoppable Bobby Wagner and an Antonio Gibson base. Getting some decent base cards. Not hitting on the colors that much. There we go. It's the first Pat Mahomes red, white, and blue I've pulled. Very nice. Nice hit. Robert Woods and a Quez Watkins. Hold on a sec. I'm going to go let my dog out of the room. All right, we're halfway home. Other than the fact that we haven't hit any of the big three, it's been a decent break other than that. I'll do a review at the end. We have a DD. Yeah, we do need Jordan Love. I pulled a couple of his in red, white, and blue. Hubbard, Brandon Cooks, Melvin Ingram, Jonnu Smith, Golden Tate, Devontae, Larry Fitzgerald. Yeah, Cam Akers, his cards are going up in price. Green Gardner. Brilliance, Terry McLaurin. And a Anthony Jennings. Yeah, put in the comments what you guys want. Get the comment magic going. A lot of the time it works. Get some good juju going. Gardner Minshew again. Jim McMahon, and there we go. Justin Jefferson, red, white, and blue. Got a base and a red, white, and blue. Vikings, you're hitting it tonight. Vikings are the winner so far. Who we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Vikings here in the chat. I live in Minnesota. From Green Bay, though, so not a Vikings fan. Gardner Minshew, we've hit him quite a bit. CJ Uzomah, Josh Norman, Adrian Peterson, Max Crosby, Kyle Fuller, C-Mac, Russell Wilson, Ricky Jackson. Come on, rookie. Nope. Minka Fitzpatrick, Fireworks Russell Wilson, and another Jason Huntley. Second Jason Huntley. Another awful rookie to get. I was going to say that pack felt a little thick for a 3-card pack. Keelan Cole, Michael Strahan, and Thaddeus Moss. Randy Moss's son. Hard to believe. Randy Moss's son's in the NFL, but he is. All right, guys, we have 4 packs left. This is like break number 18 of Prizm for me. And in every single break, I've hit either a Burrow, Tua, or Herbert. So let's not make this the first break we don't. Chad Johnson, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Minka Fitzpatrick, Malcolm Butler, Dexter Lawrence, Travis Kelce, DeAndre Hopkins, Eric Kendricks, Isaac Bruce, Deebo Samuel Green, Go Hard or Go Home Lamar, and another Javon Kinlaw. Boy, oh boy. Getting down kind of toward the end now. Mark Ingram, Adam Thielen, It's the right color. No, it's red. Willie Gay Jr. Like I said, I will do a review at the end, guys. If you guys do end up bidding and winning on my other breaks tonight, I will combine shipping. Just send me a message. I'll take shipping off. Andre Johnson, Mark Ingram, Keelan Cole, Tyrell Williams, Akeem Hicks, Michael Gallup, Jerry Rice, Demario Davis, Aaron Jones. We're going to have a Green Brilliance parallel coming up. Deebo Samuel, green. We have a Fireworks Michael Thomas and a Quez Watkins. Jeez. Just not hitting them. We have a Harold Landry, O.J. Howard. There we go. Henry Ruggs, red, white, and blue. Decent card. Raiders. Got what you're looking for probably, I'm assuming. All right, 2 packs to go. Taylor as in Jonathan Taylor? Joe Mixon, Tre'Davious White, Big Ben, Clelin Ferrell, Evan Ingram, Von Miller, Tyler Lockett, Dalvin Cook, Jared Goff. We have a green Fireworks, probably. Oh, there we go. Pat Mahomes, green Fireworks. You got a red, white, and blue Mahomes, and now a green Fireworks Mahomes. That's nice. Fireworks Nick Bosa, and another James Morgan. Chiefs and Vikings. I'd say those are the 2 teams that are coming out on top so far. Chuck Woodson, Dick Sherman, Antonio Gibson, red, white, and blue. I'd say Redskins are decently doing decent as well. 2 Gibsons, 1 Chase Young. Oh boy, we're down to our last pack. In my break on Wednesday night, my last card was the red, white, and blue Tua. So don't lose hope yet, but this might be my first break without any of the big 3. N'Keal Harry, J.J. Watt, Lamar, Fletcher Cox, Darren Waller, David Montgomery, Keith Brooking, Kyle Juszczyk, Jared Cook, Brian Burns green, got a hype Josh Jacobs, and a Jerry Jeudy. All right, guys, this is it. 3 more cards. We have a Minka, Taysom Hill, red, white, and blue. And a Raekwon Davis. We went 0 for the big 3, guys. Yikes. Sorry about that. You win some, you lose some, right? All right, here's the reviews. Jerry Jeudy base, Antonio Gibson, red, white, and blue. We have the green Fireworks Mahomes. First card I've gotten of that. Henry Ruggs, red, white, and blue. Deebo Samuel, green Brilliance. We have the Justin Jefferson, red, white, and blue. Pat Mahomes, red, white, and blue. Chase Young Emergent. Allaire base. We had a green Emergent Rager. DeAndre Swift, red, white, and blue. We have the Jalen Hurts base. Justin Jefferson base. And a Mims Emergent. Well, that sucked. No Burrows, Tuas, or Herberts. No, not what I like to pull. Maybe I'm saving it for my next break. All right, I'll stick around for another minute if anybody has any questions on anything. Otherwise, like I said, I'll upload this to my Instagram and YouTube right away. And if you guys have any other questions, don't be afraid to message me on eBay, or you can DM me on my Instagram. Yeah, you win some, you lose some. All right. Sounds like you guys are pretty quiet, so I'll let you guys go. Thanks for joining, guys. And like I said, once again, if you guys do end up bidding on my next 2 breaks tonight, message me and I'll come on shipping. Have a good night, guys.